Hey Mr. Wellman, this is Jonas. I'll be going over lab 5, beat period of 2 pendula. So what I have here is t equals 2 pi times the square root of L over G, which is given to us on the front of the lab. So F equals 1 over 2 pi times the square root of L over G. And F sub B equals 1 over F sub B. 1 divided by the beat period for me, which is 9 seconds, gives us 0.11 and so on. The 1 is just repeating. So the setup would be F1 minus F2 equals 0.11. So the one I have is 1 over 2 pi, the square root of L over G, minus 1 over 2 pi times the square root of L2 over G equals 0.11. So what I did was I let L1 equal 0.2 meters. And then from there, I proceeded to solve for L2. So all these steps is just pretty much algebra. And when I solved for L2, I got 0.24668 meters. To double check, I plugged back in L2 into the equation here, this equation here. And when I plug it back in to just check, I get 0.1109, which is close enough to the given number, which is 0.11, or to the number, to the given number, which we got by dividing 1 over 9. And then I also did a percent error check. So what we got when we calculated it is 0.1109, and then 1 divided by 9 is 0.11 repeating, divided by 0.111 gives us 10.8%. And that was it for this lab.